Hello, Mavericks. Welcome to today's market roundup. This is Imri, and it is February 8th. Happy Thursday. All right, so today we'll be doing a review of the trading day. We're going to be taking a look at any meaningful news that's come out. We're going to be looking at the broader equity markets, be doing some commodity analysis too. We're going to look at the market from the perspective of its internals. We'll be taking a look at a sector heat map, maybe some technical analysis on the major indices, and then ending things off by looking at a couple of trade setups. Let's get right into it.
Disclaimer. This video was created for professional stock and option traders. Maverick Trading is a proprietary trading firm that employs professional traders around the world. Our traders trade firm capital and keep 70 to 80% of profits they generate. All trades and analysis in this video are for professional traders only. If you are interested in becoming a professional trader for Maverick, click the apply button in the video description. Let's break down what happened today.
So starting things off with some market analysis. All right, so reasonably quiet day today for the major indices, but small caps had a great day, up over 1.52%, and oil had a really big day today, up 3.61%. Now we're flirting with this major psychological level of 5,000 in the S&P 500. We're, I think, about 6 or 7 S&P points away from that level, which is crazy. And there are some stocks that did really, really well today. For example, ARM soared 60%. Disney was up double digits at some point as well. So, you know, there are some very exciting trades out there. But as we take a look, you know, at the index itself, or I shouldn't say but as we take a look, as we look at the index itself, you can see that we haven't yet breached that 5,000 level. It's very likely that's going to happen tomorrow, and we're still firing on all cylinders as of now. Yes, this market is technically overbought. Yes, there are bearish divergences forming, but you know, none of that matters right now because as of now, we're still at a +3 on the markets, and we'll take another look at that shortly. It's a very similar situation in the Qs. We're above all the moving averages and things are looking good, which is, on a personal note, of course, when I start to feel a little bit paranoid. Okay, so here's a sector heat map, and you can see that there are some big names here that didn't have a great day today. You know, Amazon, a little bit down, Apple, a little bit down, Microsoft, more or less flat, Adobe, more or less flat, Nvidia, down a little bit. You know, so the heat map is very interesting given some of the really big moves that we've seen in stocks like ARM. And of course, energy up big today. The price action in oil definitely helping out there as well. So as I said, market outlook is a +3 across the board. You know, not much more to say to that. We're above all the moving averages, and the slope is decidedly positive. That is going to change at some point, but right now, we're at a +3, folks. Okay, now in terms of taking a look at some potential trades here, we have here Accenture. I love this little high base that we're trading in right now. Could be a high base, could be a triangle, whichever way. It looks like a trend continuation pattern. Just waiting for a little bit more sideways movement, and then eventually we'll get that nice break higher. Pretty straightforward trade in my opinion. Okay, next trade here. So this is a sideways trade in Alcoa. My favorite sideways trade over the last several weeks. Old Dominion Freight Line has finally broken out to the upside. So it's time to switch gears there. And here I like Alcoa. You know, this is a nice broad range, exactly what I want to see as we're trading sideways. Moving averages all clustering in a fairly flat formation as well. And then our bear trade is in Agnico Eagle Mines. This trade, it's taken a while, but it's finally broken down or through that support level of 48.50. I still think we can get down to $46 and $43. So a little bit lower to go still in Agnico. And then to wrap things up, here's the market outlook. Some stocks have soared off the back of strong earnings, but the S&P 500 is still trying to break through 5,000. There are bearish divergences present, but there's no doubt about it. The price action is holding up. Quiet week. There's no more economic reports, nothing major to end out the week. And as far as earnings reports go, we've got Pepsi, MSI, DXCM, and NET, just to name a few coming up to close out the week. All right, folks, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed today's market roundup. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.